This way and he'll come back your way. There he is. Right there.
I can't find him.
It's right here.
Oh, there he goes.
They're quick. See him?
I see him now. I've zoomed in on him. A blue-tailed skink. Oh! Yeah!
The dreaded run over your foot, up your leg. Oh my goodness.
My sister used to have one of these. If you grab him by his tail will break off. Unbelievable.
I should cast him for my brother. My brother always wanted one, but he never could catch one when he was down here.